Hey guys, it's Tim with Bevan Farm, and today I'm going to be installing a basketball goal on our property. I have to dig a hole and pour the cement down there for this. We got this free on Facebook Marketplace. Somebody was just trying to get rid of it. So first thing I'm going to do is find where I want to put it, and I want it kind of on the side of our driveway over here, kind of right here where this line is. It's going to be a perfect spot. It's going to leave us like 20 feet on each side, so plenty of room to shoot and go around and all that. So what I'm going to do now is mark out where it's going to go, and I need to do an 18 by 18 square about 6 inches off of the concrete there. So I'm going to go do that. I'm going to mark it all out, and then I'll start digging. I forgot to mention that my basketball had obviously the goal had been installed before, so I had to buy this sleeve. Bought it from Spalding for like $20, and this is what's going to go in the ground, and then the pole is going to slide down into that. And I've got these instructions here. It basically shows me what I need to do. So I need a 2-foot deep hole, 18 inches squared, and then also if I go to a couple pages, so this part needs to be, or this right here needs to be about 1 inch above the ground. That way you can make it so it can drain, so water and stuff don't go down the hole there and start rusting out the pipe. So yeah, I'm gonna get my measuring tape and I'm gonna go make myself an 18 by 18 square. All right, I'm lazy, so I marked out my 18-inch square with 4 screwdrivers in the ground. So now I'm just gonna dig that and go to 2 feet down. I'm gonna try and put as much dirt as I can right here on this box just to save some of it. But I'm gonna dig that out, and yeah, we'll go from there. Well, here is my hole. It's not exactly perfect, but it's really close. I got it squared out, got it about 25 inches deep, so that's good. So what I'm gonna do now is mix some cement and pour it down in there about 1/3 of the way. Then I will put in the ground sleeve, gonna kind of twist it around to get it in there, and then I'm gonna have it stick up above this hole about 1 inch. So here we go. Well, the instructions told me to fill the hole about 1/3 of the way with cement mix, and then to stick in the ground sleeve. Then I'm supposed to level it. So looks like we're pretty good. I need to adjust it a little bit. Problem is this level is kind of heavy. So what I'm going to do is pour more cement in there to hold it on the sides, and then I will fine tune it. So let me get to the other one before this dries. Well, I got the cement poured, and I left about 1 inch below the flange there, and I kind of piled it up so that water will run off of it. I make sure that I have it level in every direction. So now I'm just going to let this dry in the sun. I'm going to move this car out of the way, it's blocking the sun. And yeah, hopefully in a few hours it's cured, and we're good to go.